Dans cette partie de l'atelier, on met en place.
In this part of the workshop, we settle all developments for the next season, create several models, work the unique piece to be offered to new customers. We will be able to diversify and manufacture in small quantities.
On va pouvoir décliner ensuite et reproduire à petite quantité.
On every piece, we try to brand an identity. Here, a etching. There, some fillets drawn, silver edges, silver fillets. Materials really contrasting with the sparkling metal.
Avec le brillant du métal. Celui-là est assez fun. Techniquement, c'est le plus compliqué.
This one is fun, quite sophisticated. I guess you would like to handle it. It is a single piece of wood. I slipped a strip of metal inside that I pierced through.
J'ai fait glisser une bande de métal que j'avais repercée. Donc il y a quelques années.
Some years ago, the company had the opportunity to acquire pieces from Concorde plane. It was during an auction. We have got materials we need for knives. We had to create several models, sommelier, closing knives, tables.
Des sommeliers, des couteaux fermants, des tables, issus des matériaux du Concorde. On a une pièce qui, quand elle s'ouvre, tu vois, bam.
Here is a piece, you see? When you open it, it is square.
Des gabarits et j'ai réalisé cette pièce en...
From that one, I was able to extend with different sizes, and I've made this piece. This one I like it very much. From all the ones created, it's the one that most resembles me, really. I've made everything. I've engraved. I enjoyed myself. It has a hell of a look. I like it so much. The handle is made of mammoth ivory. Here it is the same. The handle is large, 4 millimeters. You can work it out on the engraving. You see the big brother here? And there, the next generation. One of the last models, it is a straight model, a cutlery standard. We can find it at all times. It varies from a corbin bic or right angle corner, a knife with a centered blade, made in 11 centimeters. This is the validated knife prototype. Usually, the design is made on a knife spring. We're going to cut the lime tablet, triangular shape, to shape the bee.
Et pouvoir donner forme à l'abeille.